A blustery afternoon on Christmas Eve. We turn now to the Weather Center for a look at your holiday forecast with Elizabeth McGiffin.
That's right, Sophia. If you were out there doing some holiday shopping, hopefully you stayed bundled up because we made it to the 20-degree mark and a little past, but it was a struggle out there. We'll throw it over now to a look outdoors where we're going to continue to see clouds build into the area overnight. The satellite and radar, though, shows that although there are some flurries up to the north, we're looking to see the main story be just those clouds building into the area. And now if you are going to be on Santa watch for the night, the main concern is going to be, yes, there's going to be some clouds out there, so you may have to squint a little, and it's going to be very chilly. 11 degrees is going to do it for that low, and thanks to a northerly breeze, we could be feeling like it is sub-zero wind chills. So make sure that you're bundled up and maybe warm up some of that milk for Santa. I'll have more on how cold and how long these chilly temperatures are going to be sticking around, though, coming up later in the broadcast. Sophia, back over to you at the news desk.
It's a good Christmas gift for many people, so tell us what kind of weather we're looking at. It's really important. Super Christmas Day. What's going on?
You know, despite the super holiday, it's going to be super cold out there, so you got to make sure that you're staying bundled up because not only are we going to be struggling to get into the 20s once again for tomorrow, but those wind chills are going to be bitter. I'll have more on that, though, coming up. First, here's a look at your almanac. Welcome back, everyone. Hopefully you stayed warm today because it was very cold out there. Today we reached a high of 22 degrees, not far off though from that low of 16. Now that high temperature was 15 degrees below normal. Normally we're looking at 37 degrees for a high, 18 for a low. Now compare those records. 1955 we hit a high of 60 degrees, but then to counter that we hit negative 15 degrees back in 1983. As we take a look outside now, though, we are going to continue to see those chilly temperatures sticking around for us throughout the overnight hours. In fact, drop past that 20-degree mark down to 19 degrees right now. Dew points at 11, humidity 65%, and winds are continuing to pump out of the north-northwest at 12 miles per hour. Temperatures throughout the area, very similar situation into the middle teens and low 20s. Right now, Chillicothe, one of the warmer spots, at 21 degrees. The main story for us is coming out from that satellite and radar. We have a few snowstorms working their way up into the northeast, but then more important to us, the thing that we're tracking is this snowstorm that's continuing out of the Four Corners, pushing its way on into the Rockies and will eventually be working its way into our neck of the woods. For now, though, the main story for us is just going to be that continuation of clouds pumping on into the area, and then farther south is going to be where they start looking at some snowfall. On into your holiday forecast. Once again, the main story for us here in the country's midsection is that cold weather thanks to that northerly breeze. Here's a look at that snow system starting to creep its way into the Four Corners, Rockies overnight, and then by tomorrow dipping all the way down into central parts of Oklahoma and even down to northern parts of Texas. In fact, Oklahoma City expected to be the center of that snowfall tomorrow. Here's a look at the futurecast, continuing to see that snowfall dip down to our south, so it looks like tomorrow our main story is just going to be the cloud cover and very chilly temperatures. Overnight, though, mostly cloudy sky, bringing us down to 11 degrees for that actual temperature. However, thanks to that northerly breeze, we could feel sub-zero out there once we consider those wind chills. Tomorrow, though, mostly cloudy, 21 degrees, so just a little cooler than what we saw today. And then as we work our way throughout the work week, we're going to see those temperatures increase a little bit, but man, sticking around in those upper 20s, so even struggling to see some 30-degree temperatures for highs and lows into single digits, especially Tuesday and Wednesday night. That's when you have those actual temperatures into single digits, so we could see wind chill values up to 10 degrees below that.
What are we looking for Christmas Day?
You know, if you're going to be out there looking at the lights outside, make sure that you are bundled up. Yeah, Santa's going to have to be bundled up too, because tonight we're looking at a low temperature, struggling to get into the double digits even. Like, we're looking at 11 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Wind chill values making it feel sub-zero out there. Mostly cloudy skies sticking around for tomorrow, bringing temperatures to 21 degrees. And then, unfortunately, it looks like we better get used to this cold weather because 20s are going to stick around in the forecast.
Okay, so no white Christmas, just really cold Christmas.
Yeah, white Christmas farther down to the south. Cube flurry is not out of the question, but looks like the white stuff that we have right now is all we're going to see.
All right, good Christmas Eve.